What's up, guys? Today's just going to be a really quick one. I'm going to see how effective a dedicated wheel cleaner really is. So with me here, I've got two wheels from the same car, and both of these wheels are from the front of the car, so they have an equal amount of brake dust on them. And as we can see here, they are really dirty. They have a lot of caked on brake dust on them. So they're not just some light dusting or anything. Both of them are really contaminated. So one of the wheels, I'm going to be putting the wheel cleaner on, and one of the wheels I'm going to leave just as it is. And both of these I'm going to be rinsing down with high pressure water after the wheel cleaner has done some dwelling. And I'm going to rinse them off the same. So I'm going to use the same amount of water to rinse them both down. Or at least I'm going to try to use the same amount of water. And I'm going to try to have the same distance with the high pressure water on them both. So it will be as scientific as it can be. So that should show how much the wheel cleaner actually does compared to when you just spray them down with some high pressure water. Because I've seen in a lot of comments and a lot of guys that I've talked to, they underestimate the power of a wheel cleaner. They say that 90% of the cleaning is done with just a high pressure water anyway. So I thought we should try that out. So here we go. This is the wheel that was treated with a wheel cleaner. And as you can see here, the other one has a much more brownish, yellowish tone to it. And we still have remnants of brake dust left. You can see that the caked on brake dust was not removed with just high pressure water. However, here it's pretty much clean. The color difference is even more apparent here. This is when the rims are dry. Now I still wanted to do another test that showcased the difference even further, so I decided to make a 50-50 shot on another rim, on another car, with another brand of wheel cleaner. This wheel cleaner is from a brand called Tearshine. It's a Swedish brand that makes really good products. So yeah, I think this second test really highlights the importance of using a dedicated wheel cleaner. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. If you liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or even put in a comment. See you next time. Have a great one. Bye.